In this video, we're going to do something we call the stretch to a wrap. It has a lot of different parts. It's country two-step. We're going to show it to you first in two directions, and then we'll break it down for you. Are you ready, Dick?
Ready. So we start with the promenade.
Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow.
We'll go back the other direction.
All right, here we go.
Same thing. Ready, go.
Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow. All right, let's break it down.
Okay, so we'll break this down. Leaders, I'm going to start with the basic and then the promenade. That set me up, so I'm going to go.
Slow, slow, quick, quick,
Slow, slow. There's my promenade, my setup. I'm going to cross it over and change tracks. Quick, quick, slow. Slide down the arm. Stretch on slow. I extend my arms. Now, I'm going to hurry up and pull her, run around the back to a cuddle. Quick, quick, slow. I catch up, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Now, I'm going to tuck in, tuck out from my cuddle. Tuck in, tuck out, and then around she goes. Quick, quick, slow. Patty cake on the second slow. I'm going to send her the opposite direction now. Quick, quick, slow to the wrap. That's a nice tight wrap. I'm going to pull and she'll free spin. Quick, quick, slow. Back to the beginning. Quick, quick, slow, slow.
Now I want to do it again because I think our timing went off. We were supposed to be doing a quick, quick, and we did a slow. So we're going to start off here. We're going to go slow, slow. There's a promenade. Quick, quick, slow. You notice I just went quick, quick, slow. I just followed him around.
Then I extend my arms for the slow. That gets the stretch.
Slow. I take my slow.
Then I wrap the cuddle.
Quick, quick, slow, slow.
Do a basic.
Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick,
Check
slow.
in on the first slow.
There you go. That was where
Check out on the second slow. She turns. Quick, quick, slow. I'm ready for the patty cake. I'm on the outside track. She's on the inside. I turn her the opposite direction during the quick, 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 slow. Set up the wrap. That's nice and tight. She extends the arm for styling. I pull the ripcord with my low hand or the right hand. It's quick, quick, show the hand. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow.
That's what we taught in our Tuesday class. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.